Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel Psych Content. I am really very happy to be speaking about my topic yet again with all of you. This just really makes me one of the happiest people. Without any delay, let's just jump to the topic that is the main causes of jealousy. Before I discuss the why of jealousy with all of you, here I would be presenting a few incidences from mine or perhaps everyone's lives that have made us a human being. So the examples go like I was a very happy child and living the life of my dreams. My mom and dad made sure my tummy stayed full and I stayed happy and beautiful. Until one day he came. With two little eyes and face cute as a button, my baby brother came into this world. Everyone wanted to play with him and spend some time with him, just as every newborn baby gets. And surprisingly, I was jealous. The next example, she was my classmate, a topper in studies, mathematics, special mention because I suck at it, great at athletics, organized, and basically the best student ever. Presently, she is pursuing the degree of her choice at one of the most reputed colleges of the USA. I was again jealous. The last example, it was the perfect figure. The loveliest of faces, any type of dress would fit her so well, as if it was, custom made for her. She was a definite head turner in everything she wore. And she was rich as hell. She always traveled to exotic destinations every now and then. Her social media feed would always flood with hashtag travel goals. And again, I was jealous. So, what do you feel after hearing all these examples? Of course, this list would go on, and because of this, the fact that we are never satisfied with what we have. The examples that I have been talking about right now are, of course, hypothetical, and my sole aim to use them was to bring out some common instances that make us jealous of the people around us, and so that you can relate to the facts that I am soon going to be stating. The point is, there will be many instances like the ones I just mentioned above that may create a sense of envy and jealousy in almost everyone. Right now, if you open your social media account, you ought to see your feed flooded with pictures of happy people. Well, you know what happy really means. Probably your neighbor's kid is much smarter than you, your best friend is way much prettier than you, your colleague may be outperforming everyone at work. When we are busy reflecting our lives to their amazing and happening lives, we forget to see the problems and the obstacles that they might be facing or silently dealing with. We never know what is going on into a person's lives until we step into their shoes. We always tend to compare our worst with their best. If I take the example of the girl with the perfect figure once again, there are many possibilities that we might be overlooking the fact that she might have undergone some major health issues and problems that compel her to maintain that slim physique. She must be working out extremely hard and extremely vigorously to maintain that. But right now, we are not able to see that problem, that health issue, because of the fact that she is perfectly slim, and we right now are not matching that criteria. I hope I'm able to explain this. We do not see the negative stuff that people might be going through. All we compare is our negativity to their positivity. I realize that in matters of jealousy there is only one common denominator, and that's us. You, me, and just ourselves involved in this. When a person or a thing invokes jealousy in us, it tends to remind us of the fact that we hate the most to be conscious about, and that's our inadequacy. The sole feeling of inadequacy is what drives all of us to think and feel bad about ourselves. Inadequacy pushes our minds into thinking that we are not and will never be enough, as of course, nobody wishes to feel all weak and vulnerable at any point in their lives, right? Jealousy is nothing more than a fake mask to shield this little bit of vulnerability. Somehow, it seems easier to, protect our fragile egos than to open up and accept ourselves for what we are. We love being hard on ourselves, and we've always done this. We've always been very hard and very destructive to ourselves, and we forget to improve that, the shortcomings that we have and the things that can be improved, the things that have a scope to be improved, but we really forget onto that, and it just tends to be an unending cycle. Another similar cause can be low self-esteem of a person in certain situations, like the excessive fear. Note that I have used the word excessive here to denote the relatively high levels of fears of losing something that at times indicate that we are not happy with our own selves. Deep down, we are self rejecting. We've got to accept the parts of ourselves that we don't like or wish to improve on. But the actual problem strikes when we reject our own selves in a very destructive way, as I just mentioned above, by blaming ourselves for not being like the others, the idols that we look upon, and in turn, it makes us really, really jealous in their presence. A similar thing may take place when we have a poor self image about ourselves. If you happen to believe the fact that you are not as beautiful as the girl living next door, there are many, many chances that you are going to feel extreme feelings of jealousy whenever you happen to meet someone who looks better than you. So, to answer the question, we ourselves are the reasons for our jealousy, and on the other hand, we ourselves are the solutions for our inadequacy as well. Hope I was able to make certain things clear about my topic in this video. Please let me know what you feel about the probable causes, because of course these 3 4 causes are not everything. There are going to be so many other causes that may lead to insecurity and jealousy in people. So please let me know about more causes, and I'll be back with some tips and tricks as to how to take charge of yourself when you're experiencing jealousy. Till then, take care of yourself and see ya.